Stories, and the headmaster of the Wenchi Senior High School has revealed the school did not sanction the visit to the Kintampo Falls. In an interview with TV3, he said permission was only given to the students to visit some sites in the 3 northern regions as part of the excursion.
As part of our normal teaching and learning process, at times we give room for excursion, where children go on educational tour for sightseeing of things they have learned in the classroom, to be familiar with them practically on the reality on the ground. So my arts department forwarded an application to me with a request of undertaking such a trip in the 3 northern regions. So permission was granted them after consultation with my superior officers, the Municipal Director of Education and the Regional Director of Education. So basically, they left here last Friday for this 2-day program. So according to sources, they passed through Upper West, and then they got to Upper East at Paga, and then they concluded their trip through Northern region and back to Brongahafo. But when they got to back Brongahafo, they decided to finish it all at the Kintampo waterfalls.
Our reporter Larry Pakwesi Moses has visited the Wenchi Government Hospital and spoke to some of the students.
Tamale. What I saw, it seems it was a tender, and I tried to run away to escape. So immediately when I was running, a jeep came and it hit me and the other friend of mine. So I fell.
The rain started coming, so storms also were blowing and we saw trees falling from the mountain. So people were trying to escape. Sometimes. That was what I saw. And with me, I was with 3 guys, and a branch from another tree also fell, and how it hit my head, so that's why I got injured. Okay. So far, University of Energy, 3 people have gone, and 3 are injured, including myself.
3 are dead, and 3 are injured from the University of Energy.
Yeah,
It's me free to teach my bedroom. Kintampo on run a BBC and Manasia Tata. The pressure was through Nanyamina do not me ban the collapse.
I understand she had problem with the ankle. So according to doctors, some of them will be transferred to Sunyani. So I'm waiting for the documents for the transfer.